Hey, I'm Robert Reichley, and this is my bike check. Starting at the top, got the Colt Faith grips, got the Odyssey paw ends in blue. It's way too close. Got the Stolen cell bars, 8.65 rise by 28.5 width. I got the nitrous trap stem. People say it's really shitty, but it's been holding me up perfect. Never loosened or anything. Got the Sputnik integrated headset, 2 spacers. Got the Amber Lexicon forks, DK peg. Got a stock rim and stock spokes, but it doesn't really matter. Got the Odyssey Aiken 2.25 front. Back here we got the Odyssey twisted PC pedals and Eastern stealth cranks, an Amber Sage sprocket, Vane half-link chain, Amber fat seat. It's really soft. We got the Mission seat post under it. In the back we got another DK peg, Primo drive side hub guard, Harrow stock hub sealed, stock rim, Animal ASM 2.1, and got Eastern bolts with nuts. So it's my bike check.
Yeah, look at my bike.
It's Matt's.
Stock, except for the bars, grips, and fucking, that's about it. Okay, cool. My bike check.